Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening this, not the settings, the camera. And now we have to switch from the photo to the video mode. So just tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar here, and on the third position from the top, we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it. And in this device, we've got three different options, so 720p, 1080p, which is currently applied, and 4K. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.